What is up, everyone? Today we're gonna be learning how to cook with me. Alright, so now that we've got the noodles, which I just bought, randomly bought, yeah, it's good. Anyway, so we just need, we're just gonna like do all the things, prep for the cooking. So yeah, we're gonna get the pot now. 우리가 만나 지우지 못할 추억이 됐다. Alright, so now that we got the fire, it's our water's boiling up. So we just need some. We just gotta put the sucker in. Just gotta put the noodles in, and yeah, do that. Just put it right there. Yeah, and then just wait for like a couple of minutes, like I don't know, 5 minutes. So yeah, things are going well. And it's kind of good. Yeah, and at about like here at this point, just gonna add the powder. So we're gonna get the powder right now. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna stir it. Yeah, it's smelling good. I think that's a good thing. Yeah, of course it's a good thing. If it's smelling good, then it must taste good. I hope so. Yeah, I'm just gonna like do that with the. And yeah, the heat's still going on. So yeah, you also might want to check the texture of your noodles. It should be not too soft, but just enough. I don't know. You go with your instincts, Go with your gut. So yeah, now we're just gonna let that. We're gonna let that. Yeah, let's wait a couple more minutes. Alright, so we finished cooking our noodles. Now we're just gonna basically test it out. If it's like if it's not good, or if it's great, or basically it's edible. Alright, so thanks for watching, and it's been fun making the noodles, Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned how to cook noodles, and yeah, so keep it eating.